Okay, everybody, as promised, I told you I was going to do a couple problems from today's worksheet. So here they are. This is number 6, and let's see what we have here. We have Eduardo and Dan. They're selling fruit for a school fundraiser, and we notice they have small and large boxes. And as Eduardo did 14 small, 6 large, a total of 272. So I'm going to just simply say 14S, S for small boxes, plus 6L, L for large boxes, equals 272. It also says Dan did 8 small, 12 large. All right, let's get that down. 8S, S again for small, plus 12L, L for large, equals $284. So whatever our answer is, guys, it's going to be in dollars. Okay? So now, if we look at our problem here, we have a 14 and 8 that don't match up. We have a 6 and 12 that don't match up. But if you think about it, 6 and 12 are easier to match up because all I have to do is 6 times 2. So that's what I'm going to do. I actually just need to times this by a 2, but then I'm going to make it negative so it cancels out. So, and you'll see once I get done here. So I'm going to do negative 2 times 14. That's negative 28S. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12L equals negative 2 times 272. And again, I'm going to use my calculator. And I got negative 544. Watch your negatives, by the way. And so why did I times by negative 2? Because look right here, guys. I made a negative 12, which will cancel out the positive 12. And now I don't have any large boxes right now to solve for. I can now do my small boxes. So what is negative 8 minus 28? That's negative 20S equals, and 284 minus 544 is negative 260. All I need to do now is divide by negative 20. And the small boxes are $13 a piece. And now all I need to do is plug in to solve for the large boxes, right? So 13. Now remember, guys, I can pick any equation, but you know what? I'm going to pick this first one in yellow because the number 6, I guess, is relatively small. But anyways, I have 14S, it says, but we now know the small boxes are 13 plus 6L equals 272. Sorry, I ran out of room there, guys. That's an L right there also, right? And let's go ahead and do 14 times 13 on our calculator. 182 plus 6L equals 272. I'm going to go ahead and minus 182 both sides. So 6 large boxes equals $90. So dividing by 6, I know the large boxes were $15. Alright? And so we now figured out that the small boxes cost 13, the large boxes cost 15. And the one thing I didn't show you in class today, guys, is don't forget, let's use Desmos to see if it makes sense. And if you look right here, guys, here, of course, is my graph where they intersect. And see how they intersect at 1315, which is exactly what I got in my answer. So pause the video if you need to. Let's do one more, guys. Number 7. So here we go. I am told that Stephanie had 9 packages of white, so I'm going to do 9W. And 6 packets of gingerbread, so I'm going to do 6G. And that's going to equal $240. I'm also told that 9 packages of white, so 9W, and 8 packages of gingerbread equals 278. Now what's cool about this one, if you don't notice, guys, is we have actually a 9 and a 9 matching together there. So this one's easier than any of the other ones we've actually done today. All I'm going to do is simply minus the second equation, right? Now don't forget, if I minus, guys, I have to distribute that minus. Or if you want to refer to it as a negative. So notice how I distributed the negative. And so 9W minus 9W, of course, is no more of the white chocolate chips. 6 minus 8 right here is going to give me negative 2 gingerbreads, right? Equal to, I'm not sure where that 2 right there came from, all right? And that's going to equal to negative 38, right? Because 278 minus 240 is 38. And once we divide by negative 2, we know our gingerbread cookies cost $19. Now we just need to plug it in again. I'm just going to go ahead and use the yellow one like I did in the previous problem. So I'm going to take 19 and put it right in there. So I have 9W plus 6. Now I know my gingerbreads are $19 a piece, equals 240. I'm going to do 6 times 19 on my calculator. That's 114. So 9W plus 114 equals $240. Let's go ahead and minus 114 both sides. So 9W equals 126. And now all I have to do is divide by 9. And I just figured out the white chocolate chips cost $14. The gingerbread cookies cost $19. And let's check Desmos again. Notice where they cross each other right there, guys, at 14, 19. And that's, again, exactly what we got for our answers. So pause the video. Okay, guys, hopefully this video helps you out. We have a quiz coming up this coming Wednesday, so keep that in mind. Until next time, bye.